Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. St. Patrick's Day is coming this weekend, and as you all know, green is the color for the occasion. Either green clothes, green hat, green hair, or any other green accessories, people want to make sure that green will be showcased somehow. If you're hosting an Irish dinner party, here's a cocktail recipe you might want to serve. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Chocolate Grasshopper Martini. Creamy and slightly sweet, this is a great drink you can serve before or after dinner. And please drink responsibly, otherwise you might turn into a leprechaun. So my friends, let's get mixing.
So we'll go ahead and pour vodka in a mixing glass. To this, we'll add white crème de cacao and an equal amount of crème de menthe. Then we'll also add heavy cream. We'll fill up the mixing glass almost all the way up to the rim with ice cubes. We'll place our metal tumbler over the mixing glass, give a little tap, and shake it vigorously for a good 12 to 15 seconds. We'll carefully separate the mixing glass from the middle one and place a strainer on it. We'll simply pour the cocktail mix into a martini glass. Chilled will be preferable. Then we'll garnish with a dollop of whipped cream and sprinkle some finely shaved dark chocolate on top of the whipped cream. And my friends, this is our Chocolate Grasshopper Martini. With its bright green color, this is a perfect drink to enjoy on St. Patrick's Day. It is also an elegant cocktail to serve after a lovely meal. It's like having a chocolate mint candy in liquid form with a grown-up taste. Although it goes down nicely, please drink responsibly. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!